Today we're going to make a German Christmas tradition, Glühwein. Literally translated, it means glowing wine, which stems from it being served hot. Glühwein is a mulled wine with a bit of a kick. It's easy to make and this short video will show you how. You can buy it in bottles, but that's expensive. Start by making a strong black tea. Use a full-bodied variety like English breakfast tea. Use about 5 to 8 tea bags or 3 tablespoons per pint of water. Steep the tea for at least 5 minutes and stir every now and then. Add a lot of sugar. This is the only hot liquid that goes into the recipe, and sugar dissolves easier in hot liquids, so spoon it in. I'm using about a cup of sugar because I know it's the right amount for my size jug. If in doubt, hold back and add sugar when serving. Glühwein is always served hot, so there's an opportunity to drop in more sugar if needed. You need a large vessel to put this in. I'm using a 3-quart jug here. The measurements in the recipe are for a gallon. A cleaned milk or juice gallon jug will do nicely. First we need wine. Of course, it's a mulled wine. I'm using a budget-friendly boxed wine. Feel free to substitute any full-bodied red wine you like. Just don't go too expensive because this is mulled wine, and that would be a waste of a good wine. Now add the orange juice. I have some orange peach juice sitting around, so I'm using that. It's a bit less acidic than the plain orange juice. The only mandatory spices are cloves and cinnamon. Yes, I know, my spice drawer is OCD friendly. Toss the spices in. You could add some ginger or other Christmas flavors if you like. I'm sticking to the basics. Here comes the kick. You can omit the extra rum, but where's the fun in that? Just don't go overboard or the result will be too alcoholic. 2 or 3 ounces will do nicely. Finally add your overly sweet and strong black tea. Shake or stir to combine. Now is the time for adjustments. You could add some orange or lemon peel. If it needs more acidity, add a shot of lemon juice. In a nutshell, adjust it to your liking. This is the basic recipe for Glühwein. On German Christmas markets, you will encounter a bunch of varieties. These days there's different flavors. Some with cherry juice instead of orange juice, with stronger spices, and without alcohol for the kids, which technically makes it a Christmas punch. Glühwein goes well with Lebkuchen, the German version of gingerbread, and way better than gingerbread if I may say so. That's it. Let the mix steep for a day or at least a few hours before serving. As always, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to enjoy responsibly.